The campaign, the demand for justice for Sai. Now, family of Sai has placed the mortal remains of the teenager on the road and they are holding protests with the body, demanding justice. There is grief, there is anger that is visible in the visuals that we are going to show you, viewers. The father broke down while he was raising his voice for the justice. And viewers, that is the visual you can see from the national capital. My colleague Saurav is joining us live on the broadcast from the site of the protest. Saurav, well, these are heart-wrenching scenes when we, witness when the father breaks down, and only he can, of course, understand this pain. But we see that there are hundreds of people who have come together today on the streets that there should be justice for Sai, and there should be no more such incidents happening, that nobody, not even a teenager, would get away with these crimes.
Yes, Rakshita, as you can see, there is a major protest going on, and the family has placed the mortal remains of 17-year-old Sai at the Chhatarpur's main road. And as you can see, the police is trying to convince the family that they should stand up from the spot and they should take the body to the, they should take the mortal remains of the 17-year-old boy to the cremation center and perform the last rites. But the family is denying everything. They are saying that they will not perform the last rites of the 17-year-old victim till the Satish Golcha visits the spot and reassures them that they will get justice and the victim will get justice and the accused will be brought and the accused will be caught red-handed and strict action against them will be taken by the Delhi police. And as you can see, currently the Delhi police official is briefing the protesters, and we will make you listen to it.
और किसी भी कीमत पे उनकी बेल ना हो, इस बात का भी सुनिश्चित आपको किया जाता है। अब आप मैडम यहाँ पे खुद आई हैं और आप लोगों से डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, आप मैडम का भी सम्मान करें और इस बॉडी का भी सम्मान करें, तो मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, डॉक्टर साहब आप लोगों से सबसे मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि डीसीपी मैडम ने खुद ने आपको एश्योर किया है हर बात के लिए ढक दो देख लिया। मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, बंद कर दो भाई, बंद कर दो।
Currently, the DCP of the Southeast is present, and as you can see, she is convinced to take the. हमारा क्या होगा?
आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, डीसीपी मैडम ने आप लोगों को आश्वासन दे दिया है।
डीसीपी खुद यहाँ से आप लोगों को आश्वासन दे रही है, क्या कहेंगे?
मैडम, मैं डीसीपी मैडम को भी मैंने यही आग्रह किया है कि माँ बाप का यही कहना है कि या तो अमित शाह जी खुद आए या गोलचा साहब आए, क्योंकि इनको किसी पे भरोसा नहीं है। इनके बेटे के साथ जो हुआ वो बहुत दर्दनाक है। इनका कहना है डीसीपी मैडम आई हैं, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर वाले और आ गए, कल को प्रॉब्लम होगी। आप गोलचा साहब को बुलाइए, परिवार ये कह रहा है। गोलचा साहब आ सकते हैं, पीएचक्यू से यहाँ की दूरी 30 मिनट की है। गोलचा साहब बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं क्योंकि वो कमिश्नर ऑफ दिल्ली हैं और वो अमित शाह जी को डायरेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं।
पीछे हो जाओ मैम, थोड़ा सा पीछे। यहाँ लगेगा प्लीज, थोड़ा सा बात तो करने दीजिए मैम से बात तो कर सकते हैं मैम। यहाँ पे लोग आश्वासन, पीछे हो जाइए मैम, लेट अस सॉर्ट इट आउट, देन आई विल गेट बैक टू यू प्लीज। और यहाँ पर डीसीपी ऐश्वर्या सिंह खुद यहाँ पर पहुंची हुई हैं और लोगों को समझाने की।
Yes.
Yeah. Saurabh, please go ahead.
Sorry? क्या?
Saurabh, please go ahead. You are live right now. If you can hear me, please go ahead.
Yes, as you can see that the police is not letting the media to do their work. They are not letting the media to ask tough questions here from the police officials and the protesters who are protesting. As you can see, the police officials are not letting us get to the protesters and talk to them. And as they are staging a massive protest here and they are demanding justice for the 17-year-old boy, we will still try to show you the visuals that the police is convincing the family to take the mortal remains of the body, mortal remains of the 17-year-old boy to the cremation center, and they should perform the last rites of the 17-year-old victim. And as you can see, the police has made, the police is restricting the media to get to the protesters and the family of the 17-year-old boy who are protesting at the Chhatarpur's main road, and the police is not letting Republic to speak to the media. सर मेरे को अंदर जाना है, मेरे को बात करनी है उसकी फैमिली से। सर 2 मिनट बात करनी है उसकी फैमिली से। उनकी डिमांड्स क्या है सर? डीसी मैडम सुन ले, उनको फिर कर लेना। सर स्टिल तो मीडिया भी तो सुनेगा ना कि क्या बात कर रही है डीसीपी मैडम। सर डीसीपी मैडम क्या बात कर रही है वो तो हम भी सुनेंगे ना। सर आवाज नहीं आ रही ना, या तो उन्हें माइक पे बुलवाइए। सर ये आप मीडिया को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हैं सर आप मीडिया को जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं सर। They are not letting, as you can see that they are not letting the media to get to the place where the protest is happening currently, and the body of the 17-year-old boy is lying on the street of Chhatarpur, and the GCP is restricting us to get to the protesters. And see, they are not even letting my VJ to show the visuals of what is happening there. And as you can see now, the higher officials are speaking to the protesters who are present here, and they are restricting the media. They are not letting the media to get to the protesters and speak to them. And we are showing you the visuals currently, and as you can see the police officials are not letting the media to go and talk to the protesters who are protesting at the main street of Chhatarpur. And as you can see, they are pushing the media. Yes.
So Saurav, you know what we were just listening to was that the protesters, the family members, they demand that the Commissioner of Police should come and visit. And there is heat, there's scrutiny. There's scrutiny on the law and order situation, the law enforcement agencies, the police, first of all. That why there is a breakdown of law and order in the national capital. Where was the police when all this is happening in broad daylight? The anger is visible against the police as well.
Yes, Rakshita, the anger is against the police officials, as the family is claiming it's been 6 days. And has been taken. See, the police officials are pushing my video journalists. They are not cooperating. They are switching off our camera. And as you can see, they are pushing the media. They are not letting us speak to the protesters here. And the protesters are calling us, and still the police officials are not letting the media to speak to the protesters here. ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ?
जब ये मीडिया के आवाज दबा सकते हैं तो हमारी आवाज तो कुछ भी नहीं है। जब ये मीडिया के आवाज दबा रहे हैं ऐसे, आप लोग क्रिमिनल क्राइम को रोकना चाहिए, उसको रोक रहे नहीं है। आप लोगों का, आप पब्लिक के ऊपर भारी पड़ रही है दिल्ली पुलिस चाहिए, वहाँ पे इनका काम नहीं चल रहा है। यहाँ पे मीडिया को ऐसे बाहर कर रहे हैं जैसे आपने क्राइम कर दिया हो। इस बच्चे को गोली आपने मार दी, ऐसे धक्का मार रहे हैं लोग।
जहाँ रोकना चाहिए था वहाँ दम दिखाया था और ठीक है, यहाँ और का दम क्या दिखा रहे हो तुम?
यहाँ पे किस लिए प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा है? जस्टिस के तो लिए किया जा रहा है। वहाँ पे यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आया था तुम लोग? वहाँ पे आके क्यों नहीं आया था अमर कॉलोनी में? अमर कॉलोनी में आके क्यों नहीं आ रहे थे? वहाँ पे सारे वीडियो फुटेज चढ़ा रहे थे, वहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आके आए आप?
Yes, Saurav. Yes, Saurav, clearly. So viewers, you just saw the anger, the outrage in amongst the people. We have seen, we are also raising questions, viewers. This is a Republic TV campaign. This is a non-stop campaign on Republic TV, as we stand with Sai and the family who was shot dead for fighting the bullies. A schoolboy is shot dead in broad daylight. In the first FIR, first of all, the accused is protected. The accused is not even named in the first FIR. And now the police is trying to even block the media, block our reporters, not letting them talk to the DCP also, who is present at the moment, and asking the family people who are peacefully protesting right now, being asked to move away from the place. And their anger is palpable, Saurav. Their anger is palpable. And the pertinent question that we are also raising is that why the police could not take action in time, and why the FIR did not mention the accused's name. And yes, the people of the country, the people from the family will be questioning the policemen who are right now blocking the media and asking them to not even raise their voice for justice.
Yes, Rakshita, the people here, protesting, they are chanting UP Chief Minister Yogi, are saying they want Yogi-like treatment for the victims, for the accused.
Now, as you can see, the police is also blocking the media. They are not letting the media to speak to the protesters here. And there is as you can see, that the body of the 17-year-old boy is still lying here, and they have refused to remove the body, and they have refused to perform the last rites of the 17-year. And the major thing is that the body is still lying at the Chhatarpur Road, and the family is denying to conduct the last rites of the 17-year-old boy who lost his life in the...
Of the 17-year-old boy who lost his life in the brutal shooting incident which took place in the Amar Colonies area, and now even not letting the media to speak to the protesters. And as you can see, the people are sitting here. They are refusing to remove the body from this road, and they want justice, and they want that the Delhi Police Commissioner Satish Golcha should come to the spot, and they should and he should assure the family people that the justice will be served and there will be justice for the 17-year-old boy. And now the major protest is going on here, and the family is denying to remove the mortal remains of the 17-year-old boy from the Chhatarpur Road. The road is now blocked, and there is a heavy police deployment present at the spot. And as you can see, the media is not allowed to get in where the protest is happening. And as you can see, they are not giving way to the media.
Also, I beg your pardon, Saurav, also just tell us about the accused. I want you to tell me about the accused as you try to get reactions also in the meantime. I want you to tell us about the accused, because his name was not being revealed. It was not being mentioned in the FIR. Question remains why he was being protected. And, okay, I think we can put his audio up. There's a problem. We will fix it. And viewers, Republic TV has been relentlessly reporting on the matter. And it has, in fact, it has compelled the police to reveal the identity. And that there are political links to his family. And henceforth, we see that he was being protected. But the campaign's impact is such that the police has been asked, police has asked that this matter should not be dealt as a matter of a juvenile shooting an individual, that he should be treated as an adult. All right, viewers, we will just continue to get more live inputs. We are showing you that frame in New Delhi. You can see that there is heavy police deployment right now because there are protests that are happening from the family members and other people also from the locality whose blood is boiling right now, viewers. Blood is boiling right now. Tears are rolling down the cheeks of the family members. They are inconsolable. And all they want is justice for their very, very young and brave son who took on the bullies. In fact,